Today we are going to talk about the crypto market. I have also prepared a lot of relevant professional data. Today's program has a lot of essential contents, which is very important for your cryptocurrency investments and the future market predictions. Okay, before we get started, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Otherwise, you will miss the crypto market analysis and warnings. Let's get to the point. Bitcoin has been very weak for more than half a year. At present, its trend is getting weaker and weaker, and there is no hope of turning around. The current situation of the whole crypto market, the best thing to do is to make a few bucks and sell it off. Like buying Bitcoin at $28,000 to $29,000 and sell them at $30,000. Just make a small profit and wait for the next dip. I don't recommend to hold for long term just yet. It is only good for short-term trading. There might be another big crash coming soon. The market is very difficult to go up right now due to the CPI inflation report and the upcoming Federal Reserve's meeting next week. No one is willing to do long-term because there are a lot of uncertainties. Everyone is afraid that it is going to crash even more. So they will go in to buy the dip, and when it goes up a little, they will sell for profit and wait for another dip. Not just you, even the retail investors, including big institutions, they will make a little profit and cash out. So the current trend of the market also reflects the psychology of investors. If the market is bad, the confidence of investors will be very low and the market will not go up. Unless there is a huge amount of money coming into the market, which I don't see any signs of that just yet. The Federal Reserve had printed trillions of dollars during the pandemic, and now they have to raise interest to slow down the economy to cope with the huge inflations. Which means that we will have a big recession or depression coming soon. But it's a little strange that you can take a look at those crypto groups. Maybe some of you already have a deep understanding of the crypto groups such as the WVB3DAO community. You can go and take a look. You will find that there are many people who are still very optimistic about the crypto market. They always believe that the decline in the past 6 months is only temporary, the market price will rebound soon. And there are a majority of them have this mentality in mind. I don't know whether you agree or not. If you agree, please comment yes. If you don't agree, please comment no. In fact, I have a very intuitive data here that can reflect the market condition I just mentioned. The number of people who are bullish is nearly twice that of those who are bearish. The people who are bullish keep buying the dip. But the overall market is really not, even we have more bullish investors. The market is still falling and they are catching the falling knife. Although they are bullish in their hearts and buying more and more, but the reality is not based on people's hearts. This is based on the big institutions and what they have in mind. Big institutions are the ones who are controlling the market. They can make the market goes up and then crash the market and take profit. They will create fake pump, making you believe that the bull market is back and have you buy in, and then they crash the market and take profits. You'd have to listen closely for what I will tell you. Don't just buy in because the market starts going up. If not, you will be trapped and you will lose money. The market is based on the confidence of the investors. And the investors are making decisions based on government's actions. When the government keeps raising interest rates and printing money, the market will not do well. Anywhere in the world, the more money you have, the more resources you will have. And that will determine your standard of living. Don't believe in the new projects that promise you the world. 99% of them will not fulfill their promises. They are here to make quick money and rug pull. They have no intention to make a successful long-term project because they are too comfortable making quick money. If you believe it, you will lose money. Unfortunately, there is only 1% of the new projects that have the intentions to make a great long-term project. But due to the saturated market, it is very hard for the 1% to be as successful as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the top 10 cryptocurrency. So please only invest what you can afford to lose. This is a little summary of my successful journey along the way. Okay, let's go back to the market. There is another data that directly reflects how bad the market is right now. Bitcoin has lost 50% of its value and Ethereum has lost almost 70% of its value. Ethereum has recorded its longest and biggest decline in 2 years. In fact, the overall market value of the cryptocurrency market has fallen from $2.8 trillion to $1.19 trillion. It's more than half down. In fact, the governments around the world play a huge role in the market. The Federal Reserve and the United Kingdom, Europe, Australia, the world's central banks are all raising interest rates. They will also start tightening the policies, such as deleveraging and shrinking the balance sheet, issuing treasury bonds to tighten private funds. All these will impact the cryptocurrency market. But the real estate industry in various countries is now on the rise. To put it bluntly, these governments still hope that their citizens will return to labor force working hard for money instead of making easy money from crypto sitting at home. They need people to build roads and do farming to feed more people. When people are making easy money in crypto, who will do the hard labor? In fact, not only can we see the weakness of the overall market through the market value of cryptocurrencies, but we can also see the problems through some measures of the exchange. The crypto industry has also been slashing jobs recently, with Coinbase, one of the world's largest exchanges, drastically canceling its hiring. There are other small and medium-sized exchanges such as Robinhood, which is one of the top exchanges in Gemini, are all laying off at least 10% of their workforces. When it comes to what's wrong with the exchanges, we have to mention Binance. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what Binance has been doing recently? They are not allowing certain investors to withdraw cash. In my member group, there are many people cannot withdraw cash and their accounts are restricted on Binance. Binance will tell you that your account has security risks and they don't let you withdraw the money. What is the potential security risks when he only tries to withdraw his own money? This is absolutely mind-blowing. If you want to say that this person is not himself, then you can verify his identity by doing KYC. But why don't you give the money to him after passing the verification process? Guys, do you think this logic makes sense? These are the bosses of the cryptocurrency industry. Exchanges have also been doing a series of tightening policies recently. In fact, there is another indicator that reflects the downturn of the market. Everyone is familiar with US right? But let me tell you, have you ever thought about it? That is, when US liquidity is strong, generally speaking, it is between 1% and 2% discrepancy rate. But now everyone is selling their coins and exchanging them into US. So as a result, the retention rate of US is decreasing and the value lock is decreasing. So US's current discrepancy rate is as high as 4%. It used to be 1% and 2%, but now the discrepancy rate has reached 4% about 2 to 3 times. So my point is that it is not cost-effective to get your US in your hand. Do you understand? And if the market continues to weaken, can the stable currency be stable? To be honest, I am also a little worried, so I have been exchanging my US to cash, and then investing in some projects with steady returns. To be honest, I can't say that I recommend any projects to encourage you to buy, because if you buy it and lose money, you will be mad. If you make money, you will not share your profits with me. So I will not recommend any good projects that I am not 100% sure that will make you money. I don't want you to lose money. I am not like other YouTubers out there trying to pump their own bags and let you buy a project that has no future. I don't need you to pump my bags, as I still have many other businesses out there. Okay, let's get to the point. It seems that people are becoming more and more pessimistic. There is still a long way to go for the market to recover. This is a normal market cycle. What goes up must come down. But we cannot be very pessimistic, as the market will eventually recover when the next bull run comes. I am very confident that the next bull market is going to another all-time high. A lot of people are losing money in this market because the market is very unstable. So I would recommend that you don't want to invest in this market until I tell you the next market move. But if you are buying for long term, you can definitely start dollar cost averaging right now, as the market will bottom out soon. Please be careful when investing into new projects, because as I said, 99% of the projects they will rug pull. They have no intentions to build the business at all. They will run away with your money. In the bear market, I will only invest into Bitcoin, as it is the safest bet. But when the next bull market comes, I will sell my Bitcoin and buy more altcoins, because they will gain the most profit than Bitcoin. In the bear market, there are not too many good projects to invest in, so don't rush into any new projects. When I see some good opportunities, I will definitely tell you guys. Just be patient, I will share more good projects with you guys soon. Remember, this is not financial advice, and don't invest into crypto with the money that you cannot afford to lose. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss out the next market movements. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.